I worked first for Pizza Hut. Was a delivery person. Was a favorite in the dorm because I always brought pizza home. Do you want to know the rest of my jobs?
I'd like to have an idea of it.
Okay,
yes.
sure. So then I went from that position to Best Buy.
Let me stop you there. So at Best Buy, what type of work were you doing at Best Buy?
It was in the media area, so it would have been like CDs and CD holders and DVDs.
Have you ever manufactured a standing desk product?
Have I, like out of my building?
Yes, you or your company, have you all ever manufactured any type of standing desk product?
At my building, we do not manufacture standing desks.
Is there any type of written policy or process that you have for how you come up with, under assembly, a numerical ranking?
I'm the only one doing this, so there isn't a written formal policy that's on record for creating these.
Did you level the desk beforehand? In other words, did you put a level on it to make sure it was level before you started your stability test?
I do not level the standing desks, no. Yeah, that was with no glides. And the desk was just not very good with no glides. It was pretty much bad all the time. I think I have that in my review.
I'm just asking a real simple question. Did you take any measurements when you were assessing the stability of the Terra?
I did not.
What is anti-collision?
Anti-collision is developed to, I guess, stop desks from colliding with things in your office.
Okay. Tell me what your anti-collision test is.
Push down on the desk as absolutely hard as you can, if need be. You just keep pushing down as it's moving up, trying to get it to stop, because if it has collision avoidance, that is a lot of force and it will stop the desk.
What part of the desk did you put weight on?
The corners of the desks are most likely to trigger it. I retook a couple classes. That's when I went to Stevens Point, UW Stevens Point, when I transferred.
Okay. And so did I take it from you transferred to another university or college? In what college did you?
From Mankato State to UWSP.
And did you graduate from UWSP?
I did not.
Okay. And how long did you attend UWSP?
Approximately 1 year.
Okay. During this time period, the 6 years at Mankato and then the 1 year at UWSP, were you a full-time student?
I was.
And so did you graduate with a degree?
I did not.